Hey everybody, in this video we'll talk about finding the first terms of a geometric sequence using an explicit rule. We're told to find the first four terms of this sequence that's given below. I talk about this notation a sub n in my video finding the first terms of an arithmetic sequence using an explicit rule. So we know that the first term is going to be a sub 1, so when n equals 1, which means that we're going to plug in 1 every time we see n. So I have a 1 in this subscript, we say a sub n. I have a 1 here, then I have a minus 1, but I have that minus 1 here. Let's look where n occurs. It occurs in those both of those places. So we go ahead and we do the math portion here. We say 2 and negative 4 to the 1 minus 1, that's negative 4 to the 1 power, so that's just 2 times 1. So the first term is equal to 2. Okay, now we want the first four terms. So I need to find a sub 2. That's going to be 2 times negative 4 to the n, which is 2 minus 1. So a sub 2 equals 2. Negative 4 to the 1 power is negative 4. So our second term is equal to negative 8. Again, just so we can see our n values, they were right there. I'm not going to show that for the next one. We have a sub n, or 3, is going to be our third term, equals 2 times negative 4 to the 3 minus 1. So our third term is equal to 2 times negative 4 squared, or that's going to become a positive 16. So our third term is equal to 32. Okay, our fourth term, a sub 4, is equal to 2 times negative 4 to the n, which now is 4 minus 1. So we get our fourth term equals 2 times negative 4 cubed. That's going to give me a negative number. A sub 4 is going to be negative 128. So what are the first four terms of this sequence? 2, negative 8, 32, and negative 128. Now this sequence technically goes on forever, right? But we wanted to find first four terms. So those are the first four terms, but what's happening between each term is we're multiplying by this negative 4. Which is why we are flopping the signs like that. Now, just to clarify really quick, where is this dot 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 coming from? Well, my n values, they go start at 1 and go to 2 and go to 3, and then we can see this other dot dot dot. That means n's going to keep going on forever, and we're not going to stop. So we're going to have not only the four terms, but we're going to have infinite terms that keep going on forever. And that's finding the first terms of a geometric series using an explicit rule.